minutes!
Ito na lang ba?
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Hi nga daw.
No, actually.
Welcome to... Already na ba? Happy to Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy
Oh, you please! I love the song!
Group photo, guys.
Three, two, one.
Happy birthday, Yado!
Thank you.
Labas kami ni Jelito for my birthday din. But before that, we'll go to Purveyor for a Spotify event.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Mahirap yung ganito. Hello. Nice to meet you. Hello,
Hi! Kita na kilala. Ang ganda mo naman.
Wow, nag-ayos ko
Ah, hi, Keanu.
Hello. Ay, ito, birthday niya ata, nakita ko. Birthday post mo.
Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Keanu.
Happy birthday.
Salamat. Thank you.
Nakita ko yung story mo.
Thank
Ano yun? Ano na?
Early 30s. Early 30s. Para young. Suwasayaw yung dog.
Introvert area.
Concert na. Concert.
And worshiping. Yeah. But if that happens, then
Skinny daw. And this is what nga.
Casserole.
there should be a cap. Because also, I'm not bringing more people into it, but fellow said and then he's meeting his mother, he's meeting married is socialite. Dito ko makoy inayo kasi ito.
Air one.
Okay, ate.
We're just going around, technically around the public plaza. So, ayun, may mga nakikita naman kami. Maganda naman, but ayun nga, may mga iconic heritage houses din kasi na we're also looking for. So, ayun, sana mahanap namin. This is number 4. That's number 3. Senator Jose Corteza Locsin Ancestral House. Yeah. Damn. Ayan yung yan yung coffee shop na yung may malaking window. Yeah, malaking window. Stephens Balay Puti. Wow. Para siyang White House. This one though. Si Jelito nandun pa rin sa dulo. Taking pictures. This one's like abandoned. Wala din siya sa land. Pero you can actually see yung facade niya during its spring. This one, I'm not sure. So this house is Federico Locson Locsin Ancestral House. Yeah. So ayun, medyo konti pa lang na-explore namin. Balik muna tayo kanina. Ayaw mo ba sa main road? Ah. Dito pumasok si Erwan. Bumili siya nung anong binili niya dito? Empanada ba 'yon? Oh. Yan ata yung empanadahan. Oo. Sa taas. Akyat ka sa taas. Nga po. May lumpia din. May fresh lumpia ka mo.
65 sir.
Yeah. Tatlo kayo panada, tatlo man ka...
Ilalim.
Tatlo.
Tatlo lumpia.
Tatlo man kayo panada.
Tatlo ka lumpia.
Oo.
Ano sir?
Thank you.
Aral.
Ayan. Salamat. Diyan tumaan si Erwan. Okay.
Hindi na kailangan yung sauce.
Hindi na nga kaya gamit ko.
Tara na, balik ka.
Recorder hazelnut Americano.
Hazelnut Americano.
Lagi sa kanan. Hello, welcome to our hotel. So mag-stay kami dito ng overnight for our friend's wedding. So, Tapos, look at the view. The view. Tubuhan. Tapos meron din dun something, but I think iba yan. So, gonna get ready.
Hindi mo nadala yung skincare.
Nadala ko yung toner sa pang. Nadala ko ata. So pogi.
Thanks, Jiggy.
That I am the queen?
So he's aware that with due respect that it is also criticism, jealousy around those cases.
I'm hungry. Gutom na.
Sir view. Diba? Tubuhan.
15 minutes.
So, punta kami sa kasal ng isang kaibigan from college. So, yung kasal niya is in the ruins. Tapos, yung reception is dito sa Hotel Just Natures. So, gladly na-invite din si Jelly to coming together. This is actually our first wedding na pupuntahan na magkasama kami. So, we're pretty excited. And it's in my hometown. So, very special. So, mamaya papakita ko ulit yung setup inside the ruins. So, yeah, we're very excited. Yeah. Bye-bye. Say bye. May May? Hello! Mukesh, grabe. Long time. Okay, git.
Seryoso kita ilot. Hello!
Gani. Jelito, boyfriend ko.
Hello!
Gift.
Nice meeting you.
Si Kesh, Mukesh.
Mukesh!
Saan ba? Dito? Dere nang? Dere?
Sagwa.
Dito. Sige.
Welcome to Bacolod. First time ba dito?
The first time ko ang kunabi.
Picture tayo.
Ayan, sige, close na lang. Bye!
Ice cream bar.
Wala pa ata yan. Tissue.
And to hope, in sickness and in health, in good times and not so good times, for richer or poorer, keeping yourself unto Him, for as long as you both shall live.
I do.
Millennial.
Kuya Ban. I know, Kuya Ban.
Nadala ni Alex.
Kasi,
Sinama kayo
kamustahin
sa-
nyo, ano? Kamustahin?
Sa head ka. Gainubo sila dahil.
Kami mga ano eh. Pag wala kami kaayo.
Ito pala.
Parmesan cheese from Russia.
Wow. Thank you.
Cheese, Parmesan cheese sweet. And my turtle salt from Dimaras.
Thank
Parmesan
you.
cheese sweet.
Thank you.
Amo na yung background dapat. Baka hindi.
Nabidyohan mo.
Imo sir. Agi mati juice buawi.
Ay, nadal. Cheers. Not so.
Lulula ako.
It's your first New Year.
Five, four, three, two, one. Happy New Year! Woo! Mamatay lahat ng kurap! Woo! Oli, Happy New Year! Gabby, Happy New Year! Maia, Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year from Dubai!